Hello guys, you can see my umbrella today. It's raining there, hallelujah. It's raining there, hallelujah. Don't mind my voice. I'm not a good singer, but I'm just like giving you guys a clue what today is like. It's wet, it's windy, and with my umbrella, Ella, Rihanna. Look. Not good day, man. But I will have to go and do this walking today because I've like loaded myself with some nutrients, basically. So I need to go for a walk, whether the rain like it or not. I am going to walk. Can you hear it? It's just making grrr. It's just speaking, talking. See, my umbrella is windy. It's dragging me back. It won't allow me to walk forward. Look at the cloud. Look, very cloudy, gray in the sky. It's raining there. Hallelujah. It's raining there, but listen, I'm walking. I'm having an exercise today. Whether this rain like it or not, I'm out of the house to walk, to burn down some calories. So if I can do just 30 minutes walk to the end of this road and back, front and back, that would be great. At least I've done something today. But the weather is wet, man. Look at the umbrella. I'm under the umbrella. Ella, yeah. So that is it. I need this exercise. But today it's not looking good, man. It's not looking good though. But I have made it. I've made it under the rain. Despite the rain, you know, I've made it. High five, guys. And take care. Cheerio. Bye.